Hello everyone, this is myself Hitesh Pathak and I am recording this video for the students who are aspirants of class 10th and going to prepare for their board exams. We would like to accomplish the things like chemistry, which is very toughest subject as per the students to whom I met. They said, sir, it's very tough to learn chemistry, and here I am with chemical reaction, because I know once you get the chemical reaction you will be better understand how the chemical process are going on. In chemical reaction, there are stages, like there are some words which I want to define first. Like one word, reactants. Another is product and catalyst. Three words which confuses most of the students. Now let us see what is reactant. A reactant is a combination of elements and compounds which are going to take part in a chemical reaction, or we can say these are the inputs of a chemical reaction. Now, are you able to understand this? Now, come to the top word, product. The product is the final output when we combine one or more element or compound through a chemical reaction. The product is the final output came in a chemical reaction. Catalyst. Catalysts are the substance which neither take part in the chemical reaction as a reactant, but they support a chemical reaction to occur. So a catalyst is like someone who is supporting the reaction to be processed. इसे हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि कैटलिस्ट हमारा जो होता है, ये कैटलिस्ट किसी रिएक्शन के अंदर एज अ इनपुट नहीं होता, ये एक सपोर्टिव एलिमेंट, सपोर्टिव सिस्टम है जो इस रिएक्शन को करने के लिए यूज होता है. लाइक द प्लांट मेक देयर फ्रूट्स फूड. जैसे पेड़ अपना जो खाना बनाते हैं हम उसकी बात करते हैं, ठीक है. कोई भी प्लांट, अगर प्लांट इज प्रिपेयरिंग देयर फूड, दे रिक्वायर्स इनपुट में क्या क्या चाहिए होता है उन्हें? सनलाइट, वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सॉइल. ठीक. But here the composition of and what they get in output is green leaves, oxygen. That's it. So if we take this as a reaction, the reaction is in between H2O and CO2, and the output is O2. These products. Okay, now if you see here, the water is present as a reactant and carbon dioxide is also present as a reactant, and the output is oxygen, which is a product. But there is required a catalyst to go through this process. It is called sunlight, and here